Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching me today. I just wanted to talk to you about the next tutorial I'm going to do with you all. And it's all to do with giant cookies. And if you can see behind me, there's some giant cookies there. Now we're going to make a version of those. Yes, that's right guys, we're going to make a version of those. So without further ado, let me show you the particular one. If you follow these next tutorials, I think there's about 3 or 4, you will be able to make them and give them away as gifts, or keep them for yourself. Do you know what I mean? You're a free agent, do what you want, you know what I mean? And art is an individual thing, so your version will be slightly different to mine, and that's fine, because that's just about art and the way it all works. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you which one you're going to be making. Ready for this? There it is, guys. You're going to make this cookie with a jelly sugary sweet on. And doesn't that look amazing? I'll go a little bit closer. Can you see that? So it's made out of cardboard, expanding foam. There's a clue there. You can see that, can't you? And these things are sort of like a rubber thing that you put over cupboards and tables. It's like a protector, but if you follow the next tutorial, I will explain to you exactly what that is. And yes, I thought when I saw them in the shop, I thought, well, that looks like those sugary sweets. So yes, I've made that. And what else is it made out of? Powders and paint. And on the back you will have a little hook like that. You just hang it up, and it's really light, so it's really easy to hang up, like you can see behind me. Okay, so there's loads of different versions you can do, and yes, I thought that would be a really fun thing to do, because I've made so many now. I just love making them, and they're really quick to make and so light that you can post it ever so easily and give it away as a gift. Use it as a frisbee. Probably won't come back, but hey, you know, it's the way we roll. But yes, look at that again. Just take all that in, guys, because, you know, it's amazing. So I show you how to paint it and shade it and make it look like this, basically. So there you go. So follow these next tutorials, and you'll be making one of these before you know it. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video on this clip. Bye-bye.